guys, Star here. If you're an agency and you have leads coming in, you're not going to want to miss this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can visually prioritize opportunities directly in the pipelines by using color-coded chips. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the sub-account level. On the left-hand side, we're going to go ahead and click on opportunities. Once you click on opportunities, you're going to see opportunities, pipelines, and bulk actions. Let's select pipelines. Now what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and look at the pipeline where you want to add color-coded opportunities. So I'm going to go ahead and check out the lead pipeline. Here's a pencil icon. We're going to go ahead and click that so that we can actually edit. Here you can normally edit your stages, but what we want to do is we want to click on smart tags. Now here's where you can go ahead and add smart tags. Now I want to note that we do have some pre-built smart tags for you, such as high value, new lead, unassigned deal, and hot deal. Okay, so those are options for you. We're going to go ahead and click on add smart tag. Here's where we can customize our own tag. So we can create a new tag. So for example, if I want to say stale deal, I can go ahead and label that. I can add a description, and you can also pick a color code for that. So I'm going to go ahead and select this red. Now you have the ability to apply this to all of your pipelines if you want it to be universal, or leave it unchecked if you only want to add this smart tag to this specific pipeline that you're working in. Next, you're going to add a rule. So there are several rules that you can add. So for example, you can add a rule based on the status, owner, followers, last stage, change date, last status, change date, created on, or updated on. So for example, if we actually select status, then we have open, won, lost, or abandoned, okay? Or for example, we can say that it was created on, and when was this created? Maybe if it was last year, we might want to say that this is a stale deal, right? So then we also have the ability to add in nested filters. So here you can add in nested filters where you can select the field and you can assign the owner of that particular lead as well. And you can continue to add filters based on your desired outcomes. So once you're done with that, you can actually preview the tag. So here you can see that I have this stale deal that's popped up in red. I can really see that this is not something that I want to focus on, or maybe it is something that we want to go ahead and revisit after that year. So now we're going to get out of the preview state, and I'm going to remove this filter here, and these are going to be my final filters. So I'm going to go ahead and save that rule. So now you'll see that I actually have this rule added, that this is a stale deal. The color is in red, and the description is that it's expired based on the fact that this lead was created a year ago. Now you can go ahead and preview this as well if you need to preview what your smart tags mean. You can also edit your smart tags, and you can also delete them if they're no longer a priority or no longer needed for this pipeline. So go ahead and add smart tags to your pipelines today so that you and your team can start identifying very important opportunities without missing them or without having to use sort and filters. I'm so excited for you guys to try out this feature. Go ahead and check out the corresponding help doc for more information below. And if you're interested in more tutorials like this one, check out our Content Army playlist. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.